Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. So I'm going to go up under Review to start out in the upper left corner. Okay. Next one up here is our preferences. I'm going to click in here. We'll spend a little bit of time here today. We're going to go down to Studio. And in here, I like to have this top one checked where it says attempt to check out files on open. Studio projects and studio sessions is the cloud portion of Bluebeam. Studio projects is where we can upload documents, share them with whoever we want. They can open them, edit them, save them back to the project. But what this one means is when I open that, it will automatically attempt to check it out. So I don't have to remember to, after I open it, I don't have to remember to check it out before I do any edits or start editing it and get the errors and things like that. So I like to just attempt to check it out automatically when I open those documents. This second one here, I think this one's checked on by default. Enable flashing effect on studio alerts. So when we're in a studio session, let me jump back over here. When we're in a studio session and we have a bunch of people invited over here and we're all marking up these drawings at the same time, a lot of times this is going to flash orange with the activity that's happening in that session. When people are doing markups, when they're sending you notifications. We're going to cover all that in a different webinar, but for a lot of people, they were asking, how do I turn off that orange flashing? And that's going to be that setting that we were just looking at. Under Studio, Options, Enable Flashing Effect, I check and turn that off so it's not flashing at me. I hope you took some notes. I hope you enjoyed the detailed introduction of parts of the interface in Bluebeam Revu. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.